What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode of The JT Show. So today what I want to talk with you about is really asking you all a question. Would you follow you? So let me break this down for you a little bit and give you a little context here. I was leading a mastermind yesterday with a bunch of agents, and what I have come to know is in coaching agents and all different kinds of entrepreneurs is most everybody in business is looking for that new widget, that new way of doing things, that new cutting edge in order to get leads, to get more business. And most of those people, not that that's a bad thing, however, hear me out. Most people are looking for just a new shiny object to become interested in, as if that external source is going to be the cause of your success. And it's just not true. Ladies and gentlemen, the truth of the matter is, I don't care what line of work you're in, what your business is, whether you're selling a product or a service, doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is, there are infinite mechanisms, infinite ways that you could go out there and exert yourself to create conversations that lead to conversions. And the truth of the matter is, you already know what to do. There's fundamentals, and I don't care what your business is, in regards to face-to-face, voice-to-voice, text-to-text, getting involved with people and having conversations. So ladies and gentlemen, the truth of the matter is this. You already know what to do, and you must do the do. You have to get in action. And so you get to just take a look at, am I really denying what I know to do, the fundamentals, by looking out there externally for some kind of solution that's going to be the source of my success? Or do I already know what to do, and why am I not doing what I know to get done? And if you're not doing what you know, the fundamentals, to already get done in your business, and let's be honest, ladies and gentlemen, in all facets of your life, with your finances, with your health, with your relationships, with your relationship with yourself, with your kids, let alone your business, you already know what to do. And if you're not doing those things, simply ask yourself a question. Would I follow me? Because ladies and gentlemen, I do believe we are all leaders. Because there's people watching, there's people following. And the question is who and to what degree, yes? And so in order to lead, you must lead yourself. You have to lead yourself by doing the do. And just simply ask yourself the question, just check in. Every hour, put an alarm on your phone. Check in when it goes off. Would I follow me? Am I demonstrating excellence? Am I doing what must get done? Am I moving the needle forward in creating my desirable results? Or am I hiding out? Am I avoiding? Am I deflecting from that which I know I should be doing, or could be doing, or must get done? So, would you follow you? And listen, that's not an opportunity to beat yourself up of, no, I wouldn't because I suck, I'm insufficient. No, that's not where we're going with this. It's just a simple, honest assessment. Would I follow me? No. Great, come from compassionate inquiry. Well, why not? What is it that I am not doing, that I'm not demonstrating excellence, and how am I not leading myself? Because ladies and gentlemen, you lead yourself. You'll win your day. You win your day, you win your life. This is an inside job. You already know the answers. You already know what to do. Now go do the damn do, okay? So I hope this video brought some value to you today. And remember, as I end every JT show with, who you surround yourself with matters. Are you surrounding yourself with people that are leaders of self, that are demonstrating excellence, that are producing desired results? Or people that are just on rinse and repeat like Groundhog's Day every day? So again, I hope this video brought some value to you today. Thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day.